Hey fellow Nevillers, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to share a short paragraph from Neville's lecture, All Powerful Human Words, from 1970. Throughout his works he gives us many descriptions of what sin is. It's not what we think it is. And in this particular lecture from 1970, Neville shares what unforgivable sin is. So let me read it to you. He says there is one infallible statement concerning the unforgivable sin. The unforgivable sin in the Bible is the sin against the Holy Spirit. He says every sin in the world is forgiven, thank you Neville, but the sin against the Holy Spirit, what is that unforgivable sin? Doubt. He who created the universe and sustains it, and you doubt his power to do anything in this world, that is the one unforgivable sin. So there you have it, my lovelies. Let's not doubt ourself. Our Father will give to us what we have in our consciousness. Bye, my lovelies. Subscribe if you haven't. Feel free to like the video, leave a comment. Big fat kiss, because we're all about love up here. See you next time. Bye.